All right, what's up, guys? Noah here, and I want to talk to you today about crypto trading in New York, specifically about why living in New York makes trading crypto difficult. This is because the state requires additional regulatory approval, called a bit license, in order for exchanges to operate here. We can get into the details of the bit license in a future video. For now, all you need to know is that it greatly limits our options for which exchanges we can trade on. At this time, our options include the likes of Gemini and Coinbase, and in my opinion, Coinbase is by far our better option, specifically Coinbase Pro. And that might sound pretty good to you. Coinbase has high name recognition, and they're going through an IPO process at this time. However, there are some very key issues that keep Coinbase from being the top tier exchange that we all wish it was. To go through a few of those issues right now, the first is that they're extremely selective in the coins that they list. In a way, this can be a good thing, as it can save you from being burned by some bad projects. However, it also means that you will miss out on some of those 1000x gains that some coins do see before they reach Coinbase. The second issue is that volume on Coinbase is very low. This means that there quite simply aren't a lot of trades happening for all coin pairs all the time. So if you have a large deal going and you need to sell a lot of that to take profit, you may not be able to sell all the coins that you need at the price that you want in order to get the profit. And the third issue is that fees on Coinbase are very high. This is pretty self-explanatory. Any fees are going to eat into your profits. And right now, the lowest tier of fees on Coinbase are pretty much equal to the highest tier of fees on Binance. So that's a really big difference. But, despite these issues, it is what it is. We have Coinbase. You might already have some cash, ETH, BTC, some other coins in a Coinbase Pro wallet, and you want to trade with it. And we're going to make it work for us. So oftentimes I like to trade with various different types of bots. I like bots because they can automatically open trades for you, therefore partially automating the process. These days, I've been using DCA bots on 3Commas a lot. DCA stands for dollar cost average. And so what a DCA bot does is it automatically opens trades for you based on your preferences and indicators in the market. If the price goes up, then it'll sell and you get profit. However, if the price goes down, it will continue to buy at various price points. And then once the price goes up a little bit, you'll be able to take your profit. You'll be able to take your profit at a lower price than you would have needed to originally because we've been averaging out the cost of our deal by buying as the price goes down. So this can be a really great tool for semi-passive income. I say semi-passive because there is still some maintenance that you'll have to do and you'll have to get everything set up. You still have to pay attention to the market, but it's a really great way to make a ton of money. As I stated, the first step is that you'll actually need to get some bots set up. Thankfully, there are a growing number of platforms and resources that can get you started. For example, there's 3Commas, which will actually run the bots for you, and there are plenty of YouTube channels dedicated directly to helping people with 3Commas bots. And that's really great. The more educational resources, the better. However, if you started to go through some of those resources and tried implementing the strategies that they tell you about, then you may have realized that this is actually where our unique set of issues comes back to bite us pretty hard. And that's because these resources aren't focusing on US traders, they're not focusing on New York traders, and they most certainly are not focusing on Coinbase Pro traders. For good reason. They don't like trading on Coinbase Pro, and that's because of all the issues that I listed earlier. So thankfully, that's why we're here. We, myself and a small team, are starting a community for US, New York, and Coinbase Pro traders. If that sounds like you, then please subscribe to this channel and throw this video a like. Our community is run by a small team of New York-based tech and finance professionals. We are also crypto enthusiasts and traders. We follow the overall crypto space and track its growth and progress. Our missions are simply to build a community and educational resources to benefit people in our same situation. Because we are New Yorkers trading with 3Commas on Coinbase Pro, this channel is mainly a resource for Coinbase Pro and 3Commas users. If the crypto space expands in New York and more exchanges are able to operate here in the future, then you can expect our focus to grow to those as well. But rest assured, our priority will always be to help people that are in our same situation. So what type of content and resources can you look forward to from us? Well, our team has built some really incredible things that we're super excited to show you. To start off, we're going to be bringing you trading bot setups and strategies that have been specifically tuned for Coinbase Pro. We're also going to be bringing you some of our custom-built scripts, spreadsheets, and indicators that will really help you track and maximize your profits. Beyond that, we're going to be bringing you general crypto news, technical analysis for all of you candle chart nerds out there, and price predictions. All this info could benefit anyone interested in trading crypto. However, it's going to be specifically targeted towards you Coinbase Pro and 3Commas users. One day you might learn about a hot new project that's going to hit Coinbase next week, and the next you might learn about a simple tip that will double or triple your bot's profit over time. So if you think any of this will help you, please do subscribe. Please ring the bell so you get notified when we drop a video. Please also throw this video a like and share it with your New York-based friends so you can all get in on the action. All right, well, thanks so much for watching. And before I leave you today, I do just have one more thing to say. We are not financial advisors or experts. Nothing said on this channel should ever be taken as financial advice. You should always do your own research and make educated decisions because trading carries the risk of loss. We here simply learn as much as we can through our resources at hand and use them to navigate the murky waters of the crypto market. Anything said on this channel is only for educational purposes. And with that, thanks so much again for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Have a good one.